So, why we should have first aid kit is known to you, that it will help us to help the other. But what the content should be there in our first aid kit should is enlisted in this box is very important. Like bandages should be there, then wound gauze, means white color bandage is there, it is known as wound gauze. Then triangular and circular bandage should be there, medicated cotton should be there, hand gloves, then dry and clean cloth piece should be there, soap, antiseptics like Dettol or Savlon, safety pins, blades, small pins, needle, band-aid, torch, scissor, thermometer, petroleum jelly. These are total 17 articles which are the should be there in our first aid kit, so that we can help the people who have injured in the disaster or who have made some accident immediately. So that is. Then last topic is mock drill. Now this is very important topic, mock drill. Mock means it is a type of training given to the people to handle the situation. Means if situation arises, how to escape ourselves and how to help the other is being taught in this mock drill. In this mock drill, we artificially create a situation of disaster and we made the people to face the situation, and also we taught them how to get rid of that at that time, what should be our mental status at that time, how to react in that situation is being taught in this mock drill. Now it is a practice to check the preparedness of facing the disaster as early as possible, and this such type of practice or such type of mock drill are specially made for giving the training to the persons, especially to the general public. Now ritual or apparent situation of disaster is created to check the reaction time for any type of disaster. Now the trained person observe their responsibility to check execution of the plan designed for disaster redressal, and this help to check the efficiency of the system prepared for disaster redressal. Redressal means practice of how to get rid of the disaster. Now mock drill is arranged on a disaster of fire in various schools by the firefighters, and it includes the demonstration like extinguishing the fire, rescuing the people trapped at higher floor of building, rescuing the person whose clothes have catch the fire, etc. Such activity are also arranged by police force and voluntary organization. Understood? So that when we really made in such situation, we can help ourselves and also we can help others by doing such mock or by participating in such mock drill, because main aim of this mock drill is that to train the person to face the disaster by creating a apparent or virtual situation of the disaster. Understood? So this is the main aim of mock drill. Now what is the objectives? Why if this mock drill is being created or prepared by some trained person? Why this practice is given? First, it will help for evaluating the response of the disaster. Then it will improving the coordination between various departments of disaster control. Then identification of own abilities. Then improving the ability of quick response to disaster. Then checking the competency of the planned action, and then lastly identifying the possible error and risk. So this is the main objective of this mock drill. Now it is the your syllabus of science 2 is over here. Please go through this chapter, and if you haven't understood some points, you can point out and make a list ready, so that after Diwali vacation we can follow and try to solve your problems.